Hi, my name is Jeff, an artificial robot that came from the future. Today I was tasked by my creator to become a narrator for one of his early projects using an Arduino for the first time. So here I am, so buckle up boys and girls, because today you're going to learn something new. Now then, according to what I was told, the first idea that the group decided on was a piano. But of course, the idea was immediately scrapped off because they want to create something that are actually useful to humans and not just a toy. Later, they decided on building a water dispenser instead. Why? Well, because water are very useful to humans. Duh. So here are the main components that they ended up using. An ultrasonic sensor, a 5-volt relay, an Arduino Uno, a DC water pump, plastic pipes which are to be connected to the pump, a 9-volt battery, and a breadboard with some wires. After they gathered all the components, they later put it all together so they can test out if it's actually working or not. Here are the footage showing their first time testing their first prototype.
Testing. Okay, that's it.
Cool stuff, right? I'm just a robot, so I have no actual reaction after watching that video except from what I was told from my creator. Anyways, after the first prototype have been confirmed to be working, they started thinking on ways to make their water dispenser more interesting. But to be honest, it was a hard thing to do. How many things can you even add? It's just a water dispenser. So more ideas started being thrown out. Adding LED. Adding music. Then, after a lot of time thinking, they decided on putting a water level sensor on their project and have the water level being displayed on a 7-segment display. To be honest, 7-segment display are hard to deal with, at first. But after a few trial and errors, they managed to get it working. This video is a demonstration of some of the uses of a 7-segment display, mainly on how it can be used to display numbers. But in our case, the display are used to display letters instead, that is, L and H. Alright, now that they know how the sensor and the display work, they started to implement it in their project. Here are the results. As you can see, the wiring are very messy and it would be terrible if we would just leave it right there. They started thinking on the idea for the design of the body of the water dispenser to hide the circuit and keep it from getting wet. It took a lot of time, hot glue, and many cardboard cutting to accomplish what they want. Of course, they all felt great after realizing that all their hard work has finally paid off. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you learned something new after watching this video. My creator have left me with one final task before I leave and end the video. And that is to make sure that you leave a like on this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe as well, just so my creator will enjoy looking at numbers that actually mean nothing in the long run. See you later, humans. I'm Jeff, and I'm signing off.
Ni bawah ni masuk.
Oh, bawah tu masuk?
Tak ke? Ni kan.
Dah bayar dah. Oh.
Power lah.
Laju sangat ah. Boleh slowkan lagi tak power dia?
Pandainya Zizi, ya Allah, pandainya.
Zizi, aku nak tuition dengan kau ah.